Hey guys, it's me, Mad Max. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create writing animation in Alight Motion. So, want this? Create a new project in Alight Motion and add the text you want to make the animation now and select the font of Pacific Regular. Now add a freehand drawing to make the animation like I'm doing in the background. Now go to the effects and add the effect of drawing progress so it is standard settings. Then apply the settings like I did. After this, then select the both layers and group and mask them. Now to make it look good, go to the effects and search small bevel effects and then apply the settings like I did. Now to finish up, add the soft glow effect to make it look more good. And then we'll export it and we are done. So that's it for today guys. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, then make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next tutorial. Sayonara.